Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through enrolling 6 wireless sensors into the VISTA H3 in a few easy steps. First, log into your AlarmNet account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account's configuration settings. Once logged in, select and load the account you want to manage. This will take you to the Account Settings page. Click on the Sensors tab from the Account dashboard to access the zone list and start managing devices. Once the zone list is loaded, click on Add Sensor to add new wireless devices to the system. To enroll 6 wireless devices, click the Learn button. This will put the system into Learn mode, allowing it to detect new sensors. If the sensor is a new sensor, you only need to insert the battery. If the sensor was previously installed on another panel, delete it completely from the old panel. The LEDs on the sensor will flash fast when it's free to learn in. Once the sensor is powered up, AlarmNet will automatically detect the device and load its default settings. On this screen, you can adjust the zone number and how the zone responds. Modify the settings to fit your needs. After configuring the sensor, click Save to add the zone to the zone list. To add more sensors, repeat the process by clicking Add Sensor and following the same steps. Depending on how your AlarmNet account is configured, the programming will automatically sync with your panel once all changes are complete. And that's it, you successfully added and configured wireless sensors using AlarmNet.